climates around the world. We're gonna look at climate change and weather. Introduction to climate change. We're looking at the climate change is the change in the climatic condition on the earth due to the human activity. The environment is being damaged and the climatic is also changing as we often see factories and trees being cut down, and also the increases of the cars as they use fossil fuel, which climate change and it's harmful to the environment. The content. We're going to look at what is climate change, what the cause climate change, how to control climate change, what is weather, the element of weather, and the influence of temperature and rainfall. Moving forward, what is climate change and the cause of climate change? Firstly, climate change refers to a long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. For example, shifts that are natural, such as the large volcano erupts. The causes of climates: the generating power, such as electricity, where they are burning fossil fuels, which cause large chunk of global emission. The cutting down of forests to create farms or pastures or other reason causes emission, and since the trees they have been cut down and they can no longer provide the carbon that they have been storing. Using the transportation is caused the climate change, as the most of the cars, trucks and planes uses the fossil fuel. Moving forward to what is weather, and the element of weather and the influence of temperature and rainfall. Weather is a short-term or day-to-day condition in the atmosphere. The elements of weather: we have precipitation, wind, temperature and humidity. The influence of temperature and rainfall. We have 5 influences of temperature and rainfall. Firstly is distance from the equator, distance from the sea, altitude, which is also height above the sea level, ocean currents and mountains. Distance from the equator. Sun's rays concentrated over the equator. The further away from the equator, the lower average temperature. Distance from the sea. Inland, place heats up quickly and cool down quicker, which results in higher summer temperature and cooler summer. Places next to the sea have the cooler summer and warmer winter. Altitude: with its height above the sea level. Temperatures decreases with altitude. The higher up you go, the cooler temperature it's become. Ocean currents. Cold ocean currents cools air above cold water, which has drier air and less rainfall. Warm ocean currents are warm the air and the hold moisture, causing heavy rainfall. Mountains. The amount of radiation and rainfall is based on the slope. A slope facing at the equator will have more hours of radiation, resulting in higher temperature. Thank you. This is the end of my presentation.